I would say Summer Institute is a chance for you to step outside of your day-to-day role, um, meet with other people that are in your professional community, learn from experts, um, and really absorb and take back kind of the best pieces of information, the most relevant pieces of information to your community and implement them. And it gives you a framework and also a support system.
I did not understand the value when I signed up, and it is absolutely worth the time. It is worth the money. It is worth coming with a team from your school so that you can collaborate and work together. I had no idea how valuable it would be, and I'm just thrilled that I'm able to be here.